Hey, HIST 101 students, welcome to U.S. History, Modern American History. I am your professor for the next 5.5 weeks, Professor Lori Benelou. Excited to be kicking off this semester. Just want to give you a little heads up on what's going to be going on in Unit 1. Monday, February 15th, I'll be holding my first office hour of the semester. My office hours will always be held on Mondays from 6:30 to 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Great time to either email me or message me through the CTU Messenger app with absolutely any questions, and I will get back to you. Tuesday, February 15th, our very first Zoom session. Excited for that. That will be chat number 1, going to be going over the Cold War, going to be going over the 1950s. A lot of fascinating things to discuss. So check out the class schedule in our classroom for that time. Okay, so Unit 1 due dates, everybody. You're going to have 2 important things due on Friday, February 19th. Firstly, you're going to have your Unit 1 discussion board assignment due. It's a really fun assignment. I love this assignment. It's where you introduce yourself and we get to kind of know one another. It's a great assignment. So that will be due Friday, February 19th by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. Also on February 19th, you will have your Unit 1 determined knowledge due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. Determined knowledge is going to be due every Friday, and it's important to get your determined knowledge in by the Friday deadline because doing so helps the system to create the learning path or nodes that you have to complete for the Tuesday IntelliPath deadline. Okay, so those are the 2 things due February 19th, Friday, February 19th. Tuesday, February 23rd, you will have your Unit 1 IntelliPath due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. All right, everybody, can't wait for our first chat on February 16th and can't wait to kick off the semester and get to know everybody. Have a great one, everybody.